Welcome to How to Look Slimmer in Your Clothes. Hello everyone, my name is Jay. Welcome to my channel. For those of you who have subscribed, thank you so much. Welcome to the Ladies of Chic. Those of you who have been with me, welcome back, my Ladies of Chic. Today we're going to talk about how to look slimmer in your clothes. And a lot of times we see videos where they use shapewear in order to look slimmer. And that is a fantastic hack as well. We all use shapewear to contour, to smooth, to hide our little cakes, cookies, and pie sins, okay? But today we're going to talk about how to use clothes in order to look slimmer. And so this first outfit I put together is going to be these black pants or black slacks. These are from Banana Republic. And it is paired with this. Bear with me today, guys. I'm a little tongue-tied. But it's going to be paired with this ZARA camo blazer that I picked up about a month ago. It should still be available. And I paired it with this TORY BURCH cream, like silk top, basic top, with a little zhuzhin or a little bow. You can either tie the bow. I opted to put a brooch at the top of the bow and let it hang. And so the reason why I paired and in my TORY BURCH shoes, they're just like a little heel shoes, but they're very comfortable. You can walk in them all day. And to be honest, sometimes TORY BURCH don't make the most comfortable shoes, but these are an option that are comfortable for me. And so the reason why I paired this outfit together, I'm going to show you another outfit with the same jacket and a different color, different colored bottoms, different bottoms, and you'll see the difference. And so the reason why I put this black at the bottom is because, as you all know, if you've been with me for a while, if you're just tuning, I have a pear shape. And so the heaviest part of my body is going to be through my hips. And so black is a very slimming color, as we all know. And so this is why I paired black at the bottom. In the other outfit, you'll see that I have on cream color palazzo pants. And so because the palazzo pants are full, along with this blazer, that it's going to add bulk all the way down. And so you'll be able to see how this option is more slimming. This blazer is a little bulky at the top, although it does contour in the back. It shows a woman's feminine curves. I love that. But because it can be a little bulky at the top, I need something to slim it at the bottom. And so you'll see that the contrast between the dark and the light really adds to slim the outfit. And then I'm going to pair it with this this purse that I picked up from Aldo. It is a patent leather black, and it picks up nicely with the patent leather black and gold hardware shoes. And so you'll see the two different looks and how I opted to make this look slimmer. And this is going to be the completed ensemble. So this is a navy blue shirt, navy blue classic shirt that I grabbed from Walmart. And this is a pencil skirt. I typically wear a 2 and an A-line skirt. And that is because the waist is small and it's very forgiving in the hips. So I can get away with a 2 and an A-line skirt. This skirt, pencil skirts, I have to get in a size 10. And I'm pushing it with a size 8. Let me tell you why. Because it's slimming all the way down in the hips, which is the largest part of my body. And it's very big in the waist, if you can see what I'm saying. But in order for it not to be sucked on in this area, like in this area, I get a very forgiving size. The size that I choose is slimming. The larger the size, the more slimming it's going to look. But I try not to get it too large where it looks like we're just sloppy. So that is another hack. or another tip for getting a slimmer look. So this outfit, the way it is, it doesn't look bad. But let's slim it up a little bit more. I'm going to grab this blazer. This blazer I purchased from ZARA a little while ago, and it's in this beautiful green color, but they have them now. I think I've seen them in camel and another color they have them in. They always have these long blazers, and at first I wasn't really a fan of the long blazers like when they first started bringing them out in ZARA, but then I realized how slimming they could be to my figure. And so let me put this on for you guys to show you. Because it's all about balance. You know, we want to balance our shapes, and that way we create a more slimming look when we balance our shapes. So I'm a person who is heavy on the bottom. If you are heavier up in your chest area or your stomach area, you want to find things that are not so fitted at the top, but a bit looser at the top. And some of you that are heavier up top, you have very nice slimming legs, so you can get away with a very fitted pencil skirt that will look beautiful on that body shape. And again, I always want to roll up the sleeves because I'm accentuating the slimmest part of my body, which is my wrist. And I don't know, again, if I have this on right, you guys have to bear with me. But do you see how that just cuts me in half? It just really cuts me in half. You can't tell that it's big in the waist because the jacket or the blazer is hiding everything. I feel like this is not right. But turn around to the back. You don't see anything. And this is going to be the completed slimming look. So this dress is from ZARA. Yes, I still have the tags on it. You guys may have seen this already. But I love this dress. It is a maxi dress. And the arms are out. And it has pockets. You know, we love pockets. I paired it with my Kenneth Cole sneakers with the leopard print around them. And I have on my Monica Venator ring and my Miranda Fry earrings. I always get that confused. So the slimming effect. So my arms, I'm a curvy girl. I'm a petite curvy girl. And my arms are curvy as well. And so in order to give a more slimming effect, I often wear a jacket or some long sleeves. And so you'll be able to see, I'm going to grab this jacket. You'll be able to see just how it slims me down. But I'm also going to do something else as well. But I just want to put on the jacket to show you how it adds a slimming effect. And also, in addition, this jacket is a peplum. Since my waist is the smallest part of my body, I often need things that show to accentuate that small area. And it adds to the slimness of my figure. And so you find the most slimming part of your body, whether it's your legs, whether it's your ankles, whether it is your butt or your hips, whatever is slimming, you accentuate that. And whatever is full, you put something on to minimize it. And so that's what I've done with this. But I'll be right back. So I took a little black rubber band. I don't know if you guys can see that. A little black rubber band. And I went underneath the dress. And I gathered some material. And I tied the little rubber band around that material. And I pulled it out just so. What this does is it creates a waist. It accentuates my waist. And so it has a slimming effect. Because I'm accentuating the smallest part of my body. And so this is going to be the completed ensemble. So this is another way to slim oneself. This dress by itself, I'm going to tuck this scarf behind, is very slimming. And the reason why I say that, I cannot wear sheath dresses or straight dresses. Either I need a size 8 or 6 for the hips, or I need a 2 or 0 at the top. And it doesn't work. So if I get a 0-2 size, it's tight here. If I get a 6-8, it's too loose up here. So I tend to stick to A-line dresses because, again, they're going to skim over the largest or fullest part of my body, which is my hips. And they're going to accentuate the smallest part of my body, which is my waist. Again, the sleeves also, I try to be very mindful of them. These puffy sleeves are coming in, or have been in style for a while, I should say. And they're very complimentary if you have fuller or curvier arms. And so this dress has fuller sleeves. Fuller sleeves for my arms. And so they're not so tight on my arms where you can see how full my arms are. They has a very slimming effect. The fact that this is boat neck as well is a very complimentary or a very slimming effect. And the reason why is because you're showing your collarbone, you're showing your neck, you're showing your collarbone, which is usually very slim. Most of us have slimmer collarbones, slimmer necks, and so that adds to slimness as well. But I added an extra layer of slimming effect. It's this scarf. Do you see how they just cut me right in half? Just cut me right in half. And so what I did is I took this scarf, which is I purchased from ZARA, and I folded it into a triangle shape, and I draped it or pinned it right at the shoulder so that it can drape or hang over. It has a slimming effect, not only in the front, but also in the back, because it takes away from the derriere, darling. And so this is another slimming hack effect ensemble. So these jeans, I love these jeans. These are from Express. They are white. They are fitted, as you all can see. I put it on with this tank top, and this is not how I would wear it. First of all, my arms are curvy, so you're going to see my arms. You're going to see that if I've been eating some extra cakes, cookies from the side, this is going this way, this is going this way. This is not how I would wear it. So if I have something on that's more fitted, I'm going to pair it with something that is looser. And so here we go. So I'm going to grab this oversized shirt that I picked up from ZARA. You guys can see if the tags are still on it. And I'm just going to pair it on like so. I'm dressing without a mirror, and so I can't see myself. But do you see how they just slim me right down? Because it's hiding all the fullest parts of my body. In the back, it's slimming right down, as well as in the front. It just covered me right down. And I'm showing also, I'm going to zhuzh up or chic up my little sleeves a little bit. So you can see the smallest part of the body, or one of the smallest parts of my body is my wrist. And so just like this, but this, like it is shortening my legs. And so I can opt to crisscross it. Again, I don't have a mirror, so I can't really see what I'm doing. I can opt to crisscross it like this in the front. And it still has a slimming effect, although, you know, you see the fullness of my hips right here. Or, probably a better solution for me is usually what I do is I tuck one side in. And you guys have seen everybody do this. They tuck one side in and they leave the other side out, and that's going to cut you in half as well, and it's going to lengthen your legs, which is also going to make you look slimmer. I'm only 5'4", so I need all the lengthening I can get. Okay, I'm going to pop my collar, because you know how we like to do that, and this is going to be the slimming ensemble. So this is the next dress. This dress is a black dress. This dress is from ZARA. As you guys can see, it is extremely fitted. And so I would not wear it like this because we want to cause a little slimming. The reason why I wouldn't wear it like this because when I turn to the side, you have fullness here and you have my little cakes, cookies, and pies here. Although I could walk around like this, but I'm not with that because we like modesty as well. This dress does have a boat neck top, which adds to a slimming effect because it shows off the collar as well as your neck, and also the arms are out. Sometimes I do go ahead and wear my arms out, but most of the time, because they are very curvy, I try to wear things that don't accentuate them so much. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a blazer, but this is just not any blazer. This blazer is from BCBG Max Aria. I don't know. But I picked it up a long time ago, and it is like a cape blazer. And so see what happens when I put the blazer on. Okay. Pull it down. So you see how it just instantly slims the dress. The back part you can't see. It just slims it. And if I tuck it in right here, which it has a little clip, it's even more slimming. And so blazers are going to be your best friend for slimming. It covers the arms. Pointed shoes as well. I forgot to mention that. Anytime you add heels or height, that's going to add to a slimming effect as well. And the fact that these shoes are pointed is going to make me look taller, more elongated, and slimmer. Bottega was making these shoes. I think they still make the shoes where they're square in the front. If you are super thin, that works for you. But when you are a curvy girl, it adds bulk to you. And so you want to use a pointy toe shoe to make you look slimmer. And so this is going to be the completed look. So I want to thank you so much for joining me for this week's How to Look Slimmer in Your Clothes. I hope you guys got some helpful tips. Leave your comments below to let me know which slimming effect or slimming hack you're going to try. Again, my name is Jay. Please like, subscribe, share, hit that little notification bell, and also follow me on Instagram where I post like 4 times a week. Until next time.